Phil Mahine, ages 12 to 16.
We've got a wonderful crowd in here today. Thank you so much. Woo!
Once again, if you are using a camera and you do not have a camera pass, you need to stop taking photos and get a pass so you can use your camera.
All right. Thank you so much. Our judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. Number 83, 84, 85, 86, and 87. Ladies, make sure our judges can see your number and that it didn't turn around while you were doing your solo. All right, thank you so much, ladies. You may exit to your left. While our other contestants are coming up, we do